Hi everyone. Today we will be checking about the difference between singleton and prototype design pattern. So let me share my screen. So here under SRC, I'll be so let's first go through the definition of them. So singleton, you can see here that only one instance will be created for a single bean definition per Spring IOC container, and the same object will be shared for each request made for the bean. So this is the definition of singleton, and for prototype, a new instance will be created for a single bean definition every time request is made for the bean. So in singleton, only one instance will be created for a single bean definition, and for a prototype, every time a new request is made, a new instance will be created. So we will be checking through code and will be showing you how does it works. So this is my Eclipse. Here I will be creating one package. Say for example, singleton example package. Under this, I'll be creating one class. I'll be creating one singleton class. So let us implement a singleton design pattern in this singleton class. So it singleton says that every time the instance of this singleton class gets called, only single bean will be activated. It says only one instance will be created for a single bean. So every time this instance of singleton gets called, a same bean gets thrown whenever the instance gets called. So let me go through the example and then you can understand. So private not this singleton class to null. Now public static get instance public singleton. Get instance. So I need to implement I need to write the body in such a way that the same instance gets thrown whenever this get instance method gets called in this singleton class. So here I can write if I'll be checking if instance is null, then if instance is null, then what should happen? And else I'll be returning instance. Okay. If instance is null, then I need to create a new instance. Here it's a waste. I need to return a new instance. If instance is null, then I'll be setting the existing instance to a new instance, and then I'll be returning the instance. If it is not null, then I'll be returning the same instance. Okay. So this is the singleton class. How we can check this? We can check this by creating another class, new class. Say for example, this is main class. So I'll be creating one instance of singleton class. Say for example, this is S1 equal to singleton dot get instance. Okay. Similarly, I'll be creating another instance, 3 instance I'll be creating, and I'll be checking whether same instance gets returned or different instance gets returned. Let's create an array of S equal to new. S0, S1, S2, and S3. So 4 and S. Now I will be executing this. Okay. If it is 4, then this will run successfully. We can see the same hash code value is there, and same, it is same, all of the 4 are same only. So we can tell that same instance of the singleton class gets returns each time. And if we need to create a prototype design pattern, so the definition says a new instance will be created for a single bin definition every time a request is made for the bin. So in the same question, if you want to create a new instance each time, then what we can do is, if we comment this, then you can see every time I call this main class, different instance will get written. See 6753 E3 F5. So our motive was to create singleton class because this is the most famous question. So you can remember this. So see same instance gets returned. So that was it. I hope you liked my video. So kindly do subscribe and like my video, and you can also comment me for any doubts and for any more topics which we want me to explain, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.